Telegram founder and CEO Pavel Durov has alleged that Reliance and WhatsApp may be linked to efforts against the messaging platform in India, while also accusing an Indian telecom operator of disrupting Telegram's connectivity. In a post on X, Durov claimed that Reliance Communications had interfered with Telegram access through Border Gateway Protocol or BGP, hijacking affecting users outside India, including in the UAE. He further alleged that Reliance and WhatsApp could be connected to recent lobbying efforts aimed at banning Telegram in India. However, a senior telecom industry source rejected the allegations as fake news, saying Durov had confused Reliance Communications with Jio, the digital arm of Reliance Industries. The source said Meta's investment was in Jio and not Reliance Communications, adding that the two companies were separate entities and that Meta had no role in Jio's day-to-day operations. The controversy comes as Telegram faces regulatory action in India. The government have directed Google and Apple to delist the app until June 22nd over concerns linked to alleged NEET UG paper leak activities ahead of the June 21st re-examination. Officials have also reportedly asked Telegram to disable its message editing feature in India until June 30th.